There's a persistent myth surrounding electric vehicles: their batteries don't last. This myth creates fear and doubt, deterring people from making the switch to electric. Many worry about being stranded with a dead battery or facing exorbitant replacement costs. This fear often stems from experiences with smartphones and laptops. These devices use different battery technology and experience heavier use cycles. EV batteries are designed for longevity, built with robust thermal management systems, and undergo rigorous testing. The reality is, modern EV batteries are incredibly durable. They're designed to outlast the lifespan of the vehicle itself. Let's delve into the data and dispel this myth once and for all.
One of the strongest indicators of EV battery longevity is the warranty offered by manufacturers. Most EV makers provide a minimum 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on their battery packs. Some, like Tesla, offer even longer coverage. These warranties demonstrate the confidence manufacturers have in their battery technology. They wouldn't offer such extensive coverage if battery failure was a common occurrence. These warranties protect consumers from unlikely but potentially costly repairs. Furthermore, these warranties often guarantee a minimum battery capacity retention, usually around 70%. This means that even after years of use, your EV battery will still hold a significant charge. You can drive with peace of mind knowing your battery is protected.
Warranty information is reassuring, but real-world data paints an even brighter picture. Studies and surveys consistently show that EV batteries are exceeding expectations in terms of lifespan. Many early EVs are still running strong with their original batteries.
For example, Tesla, a leader in EV technology, has amassed a wealth of data from its fleet. Their data shows that battery degradation is minimal, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Many Tesla owners report minimal range loss after years of ownership. Independent studies corroborate these findings. Organizations like the U.S. Department of Energy have conducted extensive research on EV batteries. Their findings consistently demonstrate the longevity and durability of these power sources
For years to come.
Section 5. Battery replacement, a rare and affordable event. While battery replacement is a possibility, it's important to remember that it's a rare occurrence. With proper care and maintenance, EV batteries can last well beyond the warranty period, often exceeding the lifespan of the vehicle itself. However, if a replacement does become necessary, the costs are becoming increasingly manageable. Battery technology is constantly evolving, and production costs are steadily decreasing. This translates to more affordable replacement options for consumers. Furthermore, as EVs become more prevalent, the infrastructure for battery repair and refurbishment is rapidly expanding. This means easier access to qualified technicians and a wider range of replacement options, further reducing the cost and inconvenience of battery replacement.
Section 6. The bigger picture: EVs and cost savings. While we've focused on battery longevity, it's crucial to remember the bigger picture. EVs offer significant cost savings over their gasoline-powered counterparts, even when factoring in potential battery replacement costs. EVs have fewer moving parts, meaning less wear and tear and reduced maintenance requirements. No oil changes, spark plug replacements, or exhaust system repairs. This translates to significant savings over the lifetime of the vehicle. Moreover, the cost of electricity is significantly lower than the price of gasoline in most regions. This difference in fueling costs adds up quickly, putting more money back in your pocket. When you factor in these savings, the overall cost of EV ownership becomes even more appealing.